everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Isabel over at the Shabby Hippie. Her YouTube channel will be linked down below. She is currently hosting a birthday challenge to celebrate her 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you, Isabel. I hope you have a wonderful day. One of the requirements is to send ephemera. She has all of her requirements on her channel, so be sure to go and check that out. I am going to be sending ephemera and I have chosen the vintage style. The package must be postmarked by April 12th. Let me show you what I am sending off to Isabel. I did use all papers from a Tim Holtz paper pad that I had in my stash. I am making the card flat. I did cut out some tickets from one of the paper pads. I did rough them up and ink them. She does a lot of journaling. I'm hoping she'll be able to use these in some of her journals. I also did the same with some Easter cards that were in the same paper pad. They're super cute. I used one of my Tim Holtz dies that has a file folder, the specimen card, and some other layering pieces. This is the little specimen card that I made. It was super easy to create. I did use some acetate to give it some extra dimension, but it is still flat for her journals. And I also made her one of the mini file folders. I love this die so much. I just cut some words out of the same paper pad and stapled some pieces of ephemera to it. And I'm also sharing some of my dewdrops that match the Tim Holtz paper. This is from my October 24 collection, if you're interested in these darker vintage type colors. That is my entry for Isabel over at the Shabby Hippie. Stop by her channel for all of the challenge details. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.